Hi friends, welcome back to Angular tutorial. In our last video, we have learned about the if-else condition, and in this video, we're going to learn about the switch case concept in Angular. So the switch case statement is an alternative to the if-else statement. Okay, so we can write if condition, then we can write else if condition, and switch case doing almost the same things. Basically, switch case statement test a variable against a series of values until it finds the proper match. Okay, so if found, then it executes that block. Okay, so let's take an example to make it more clear. So basically this text is coming from the main component of this Angular, that is app component.html, and app component ts is the component file. So let's create a small example to make it more clear. So before that, we need to know we have a if else condition and also have a switch case condition. So where we will use the switch case? So the answer is use switch case every time if you have more than two conditions on a single variable. So let's take a simple example for weekdays. Okay, so their weekdays is starting from Sunday and ending to Saturday. So we know there are only 7 types of options. So in this case, we will not use the if else because we know all the conditions and we will write our codes related to this condition. So let's take an example and we will learn how ngSwitch is working. So here I will create a property that is color, and I am providing the default color that is red. Okay, so with the help of this property we will create a switch case statement in the app component.html. Okay, so let's create a div. Okay, so basically this div will use the switch case. Okay, and we'll write the ngSwitch. Okay, so this is the syntax. So ngSwitch we need to write, and in this way within the third parenthesis, and we will pass the property name that is the color. Okay, and inside this div we will write some statement. Suppose I am creating a statement in the h2 tag. So write red color, and we will write the case. Okay, so basically the switch is color and we'll write the case. So right here using the asterisk, that is the star ng switch case. Okay, so if the ngSwitch case is red, then it will display. Okay, so in the same way we can write another block that is different color. So right here green, and we will write green, and for blue we can write the blue here, and here write that is blue. So let's make it small. Okay, and we can write the default statement, that is when you learn about the else condition. So if nothing is true, then what happens? So write the else condition. So in the else condition we need to write the ngSwitchDefault. Okay, and we don't need to write any options. Okay, so this is the default color. Okay, and I want to write some styling to say it more better. So write here style, and here write color red. Okay, so for red we will write red so we can see more clear output. Okay, so just copy paste every section. Okay, and for default I am not providing any color. Okay, and the blue for blue, and for green the color will be green. That's it. Okay, so now the color is red. So if you go to the browser we can see the red color. Okay, so there is another option that is green. So if we write the green here, so now it will print these things. So green color. Okay, so now if we write something different, that is gray, so there is no condition for the gray. So now we can see the default color, okay, that is the black color. So this is the default color, okay. So now if you write for blue, then we can see the output in a blue color, okay. So in this way actually switch case is working in Angular. So we have learned about the if else condition, and also we have learned about the switch case condition also. So if you have any queries about this video, please comment in a below comment section. So next day we're going to learn about some loop concept. So we will start from the basic loops, that is the for loops. So please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.